Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be talking about the science of model railroading. Please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and check out more videos on my channel. Thanks for your support, Nolan Train Guy. This is the transformer. The transformer takes electricity from the wall outlet and transfers it into the right amount of power for the trains. When I turn the knob, it sends more electricity to the track and the train goes faster. When I turn the transformer knob, I increase the voltage going to the track. More voltage means more power, so the train goes faster. Electricity flows from the transformer through those wires to the track. The rails carry the electricity around the layout. When the train's wheels touch the rails, electricity goes into the train and powers the motor. This is another transformer. This transformer is hooked up to some of my accessories like my animated billboard, my bubbling water tower, my animated crossing gates, and my animated firehouse. The more voltage means more power coming from the transformer to my accessories like my animated billboard, my crossing gates, my bubbling water tower, and my animated firehouse to help make my fire truck come out of the garage. a load. The train is called a load because it uses electricity. If I add more cars or another train, the transformer has to send more power. Sometimes the train slows down because more electricity is being used. This is a track switch. A switch can change the direction of the train and helps control the circuit. When I move the switch, the train can go onto another track. Electricity flows through the rails to the train. The wheels touch the rails and complete the circuit. If the circuit is broken, the electricity stops and the train stops. Volts measure the power coming from the transformer. Amps measure how much electricity is flowing to the trains. Bigger trains or more trains need more electricity.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully you have learned a lot in this video, and this video has inspired you to get into the world's greatest hobby, model railroading. Please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your support, Nolan Train Guy.